Typhoon Kong-rey takes aim at Taiwan. Super Typhoon Kong-rey is rapidly approaching Taiwan, causing significant disruptions and raising concerns about potential landslides on the island. Storm experts predict that Kong-rey will strike Taiwan as the equivalent of a Category 4 hurricane, bringing intense winds and rain. Taiwan's premier has warned of possible landslides and road closures, urging caution as the storm heads for the eastern coast. Kong-rey is passing near the northern Philippines, which recently suffered from Tropical Storm Trami, causing numerous casualties. Taiwan has issued a land warning, expecting sustained winds of at least 39 miles per hour within the next 18 hours. As the storm looms, residents and authorities remain on high alert, preparing for one of the year's most severe typhoons.